Welcome to this video, where we'll be discussing a common issue that many of you may have encountered when working with PySpark on AWS Glue. The error message, Executor Lost, can be frustrating and confusing, especially if you're new to Spark or distributed computing. In this video, we'll break down the possible causes of this error and provide a clear explanation of how to troubleshoot and resolve it. If you've ever tried to run a PySpark job on AWS Glue, only to have it fail with an Executor Lost error, you know how annoying it can be. But don't worry, we're here to help you understand what's going on behind the scenes and provide you with practical tips to get your job running smoothly. In this video, we'll cover the possible causes of the Executor Lost error, including issues related to executor configuration, resource allocation, and networking. We'll also walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what's causing the error and how to fix it. So let's dive into the possible causes of the Executor Lost error. One common reason is related to executor configuration. When you configure your Spark job, you need to specify the number of executors, their memory, and CPU setting. If these settings are not correctly configured, it can lead to issues with the executors, resulting in the Executor Lost error. Another possible cause is resource allocation. If the resources allocated to your Spark job are insufficient, it can lead to executor failure. This is especially true if you're working with large data sets or complex computations that require significant resources. Networking issues can also contribute to the Executor Lost error. When Spark jobs run on a distributed cluster, they rely on networking to communicate between nodes. If there are any issues with the network configuration or connectivity, it can lead to communication failures and executor loss. Now, let's walk through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. The first step is to check your executor configuration setting. Make sure that you've specified the correct number of executors, memory, and CPU settings for your job. You should also ensure that these resources are available on your cluster. The next step is to verify your resource allocation. Check if the resources allocated to your Spark job are sufficient for its requirement. You can use tools like Spark UI or AWS CloudWatch to monitor your job's performance and identify any bottlenecks. Finally, check your networking configuration. Ensure that your nodes have the correct network settings and can communicate with each other. You should also verify that there are no firewall rules blocking communication between nodes. In summary, the Executor Lost error on AWS Glue is often caused by issues related to executor configuration, resource allocation, or networking. To troubleshoot and resolve the issue, you need to check your executor configuration settings, verify your resource allocation, and ensure that your networking configuration is correct. Then, from this video, our executor configuration is critical for Spark job performance. Resource allocation should match the requirements of your job. Networking issues can lead to communication failures and executor loss. That's it for today's video on troubleshooting the Executor Lost error on AWS Glue. We hope that you found this explanation helpful in resolving the issue with your PySpark job. But if you have any further questions or need help with troubleshooting, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and explanations on Spark, Hadoop, and distributed computing. Thanks for watching.